Wall Street futures were mostly flat in late Tuesday trading as investors turned cautious ahead of a key Federal Reserve decision.
Markets are waiting for the Federal Reserve's final interest rate decision of the year.
At 6:35 p.m. Eastern Time, S&P 500 futures remained flat, while Dow futures showed almost no change.
Meanwhile, Nasdaq 100 futures slipped slightly as technology stocks showed mild weakness.
After a strong rally throughout most of 2024, major U.S. stock indexes have recently lost momentum. Markets are almost certain that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates by 25 basis points this week. This cut would bring the federal funds rate down to a range of 4.25 to 4.50%. Cooling inflation and a resilient labor market have allowed the Fed to ease policy gradually. The Fed has already delivered 3 interest rate cuts since September.
Investors are focused less on the cut itself and more on the Fed's future guidance.
Some analysts expect the Fed to pause further rate cuts early next year. Any hint of a hawkish tone could quickly return volatility to the markets. At the same time, major technology companies are set to report earnings this week.
Oracle's earnings will be closely watched for signs of growth in cloud and AI services. Adobe faces pressure to defend its valuation amid rising competition in generative AI. Broadcom's results may signal whether data center and AI chip demand remains strong.
Costco's earnings could offer insight into consumer spending ahead of the holiday season.
Positive news emerged after reports that NVIDIA can continue certain chip exports to China. This move helped ease concerns about tighter U.S. technology export restrictions.
With a December rate cut largely priced in, markets remain in a holding pattern.
Investors are weighing easier monetary policy against risks from future Fed guidance. Strong earnings from big technology companies remain crucial to sustaining the 2024 rally.
Any unexpected message from the Fed or weakness in the AI sector could shift market direction.
For now, Wall Street waits cautiously for the next major catalyst.
Don't forget to subscribe International Trade Talk.